Last year, 2014, the First Lady in Sudan, Mrs. Widad Babik Romer, a member of Organization of the First Ladies in Africa Against AIDS OFLA, was full of great fight against AIDS achievements and great efforts against the virus HIV. The most important access has been to focus on is the elimination of the vertical transmission from infected pregnant mother to the baby, which was the launch of the national campaign for this important program on the 18th of April 2011 in Kassala State and the presence of all other states. The First Lady in Sudan sponsored the Sudanese women's issues and AIDS since 2006 and who help and support control efforts on the year 2014 activation and the formation at the level of the localities in the number of 4 states: Khartoum, Kassala, Sinnar, and North Kordofan. One of the important achievements in the past year expansion the provision of services and the number of examination centers and 262 centers for testing and voluntary counseling aids. It was to provide income generating projects for a number of 400 people living with AIDS. Finally, we look forward to everyone's care elimination programs on the vertical transmission from infected pregnant woman to the baby. AIDS must be in the priorities of efforts with the needs for the First Ladies organizations in Africa OFLA contribution to attract internal and external support. These efforts with all available resources in order to reach 3 zeros: 0 of non-cases of HIV infection, 0 non-deaths resulting from infection with HIV, and 0 no discrimination against people living with HIV. And we are working serious, invested our efforts until we reach to achieve our vision. Africa must be free of AIDS and access to a better quality of life in African countries.